Hi guys! Today I'm going to make some sauerkraut. I've been looking all over this city where I'm staying, where I've been in Mexico, for sauerkraut or cultured vegetables, and they don't seem to exist here. So that's okay. Mexico is not big on cultured vegetables. So I'm going to make my own because I need some sauerkraut and some cultured vegetables. So I'm going to walk you through the process with me. It's really simple, and the nice thing about cultured vegetables is that they're shelf stable for quite some time, several weeks. So even if you don't have access to refrigerators, you can still enjoy fermented vegetables that are really good for your gut, your digestion, and your immune system. So you don't want to be left without fermented foods. So if you find yourself somewhere where they just don't have any, it's really easy to make your own. Start by thinly slicing a head of cabbage. And while you're slicing, you can boil your jars and lids for about 5 minutes, and then lay them out to dry. Then slice some ginger, garlic, and you can also slice some onions very thinly if you want extra additional flavor for your sauerkraut. These are all optional items, so take all those optional items and set them aside. Then you're going to knead the cabbage. 1 tablespoon of salt goes into every 4 cups of cabbage. You're going to knead it and knead it and knead it until it becomes very liquid and soft. Then you can add your extra optional ingredients. Fill your jars with the cabbage and anything else you want for flavor. Firmly press all of the contents so it's underneath the liquid. You can add a small amount of water at the top of the jar if you need to. Then store it in a cool, dark place for about 2 to 4 days. You might need a little bit longer depending on your room temperature. When it's done, you should see bubbles coming up from the top. If you don't see bubbles, leave it in another day and then open it and check it. Thanks for watching. You can find me at ketogenicdietcoach.com.